In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unapplied cash payment in QuickBooks Online. When you see unapplied cash bill payment expense on your profit and loss report, it usually means QuickBooks has a payment recorded that isn't properly linked to a bill. This can make your reports look confusing and your expenses inaccurate. So let's walk through how to track those payments down and fix them. First, we'll locate the transactions causing the issue. In QuickBooks Online, go to your Reports section and open your profit and loss report. Make sure you're looking at the correct date range for the period you're reviewing so that nothing important is excluded. Once the report loads, scroll down until you find the line that says Unapplied Cash Bill Payment Expense. This is the account that holds those problem payments. Click directly on the total amount shown on that line. QuickBooks will open a detailed list of the individual transactions that make up that total. Here, you'll see the specific vendor payments, along with their dates and amounts. Take a moment to review this list carefully. For each unapplied payment, note down the vendor name, the amount, and the payment date. This information is what you'll use to fix the issue in the next step. You can jot it down or keep the tab open while you work. Next, we're going to match and correct the transactions by creating any missing bills. Often, unapplied cash payments show up because a payment was entered before the related bill or the bill was never entered at all. For each payment you just identified, look in your vendors section or expenses list to see if there's an existing bill that matches the same vendor, amount, and date range. If you don't see a matching bill, you'll need to create one. Click the New button and then choose Bill. In the bill form, enter the same vendor as the unapplied payment. Then enter the exact amount and a bill date that lines up with that payment. This helps QuickBooks recognize that these two entries belong together. Fill in any necessary expense account or item details so the bill is coded correctly on your books. When you're done, click Save and Close. QuickBooks can now match that bill to the payment and clear it from the unapplied account. Once you've made your corrections, it's time to verify everything worked. Go back to your profit and loss report and run it again for the same date range as before. Scroll down and look for the unapplied cash bill payment expense line. If everything was fixed properly, that line should now be gone, or at least reduced to reflect only any remaining unresolved payments. That's how you clean up unapplied cash bill payments in QuickBooks Online and keep your financial reports accurate.